Hey guys, my name is Purav and in this video I'll show you exactly how I used Gumroad, Notion, Threads and Canva to get my first ever sale on Gumroad. Before we start, I want to give you a disclaimer. This isn't a Gumroad tutorial, this isn't a how to get more sales tutorial. This is just an update from my end because last week I made my very first sale. I'm just sharing you the entire process that I went through to get my very first sale. So if you're brand new into digital products, if you're just starting out, this is the video for you. Here we are on my Gumroad store. You can see on top it says Purav Bolar. Then we have the email address, so basically an invitation to my newsletter. Then I have a short description and then you can see the products that I have. So we start with the Ultimate OS, the Ultimate Focus OS. Then we have the System OS, the Focus OS, Compound Effect Notes, Streak Machine. So you can see the several products that I sell. And if I click on the System OS, you can see that I have two 5-star ratings. Then there's the price, that's $14. Then I have a description on what I offer and how the product is going to be. And here we can see that I have made 88 sales with two 5-star ratings. You can see the ratings that they provided. We also have the Ultimate Focus OS. So it's basically a bundle of 2 to 3 digital products. So here we have the System OS, Focus OS and the Compound Effect Notes. Here we have the description of what are the products that are included in this package. And I also have screenshots of what other people say after using my product. Now that you've seen my store and the kind of products that I sell, I want you to know few things before starting out. So the first step is sell what you think would be useful for you. So you can see I sell a lot of Notion templates. So I have the System OS and the Focus OS. This is something I've been using for months now and it has valued a lot to me, and I've been able to track my goals, my habits, my bad days, my good days, and I have this visual graph that I can see on how well I'm performing on a particular day. So all of this truly helped me a lot. So if you're wondering about what kind of products to sell or what you're good at, then just look at the past few days, look at the kind of products that you gained a lot of value from. Just polish it, package it well, and then put it on Gumroad. And that is how you give genuine value to people. Because if that product brought value to you and it helped you, it's going to help other people just like you. Now that you have the final polished product ready, it's time for the main part, and that is distribution. So for distribution, I use a platform called Threads. It's a very great platform, especially if you're a beginner and if you're just starting out. This is the perfect platform. You can see I just have 1,500 followers, but I get over 2 million views every month. And in my bio, I have a short to the point description of the kind of content that I post. And if you click on the link section here, you can see I have a Discord community, I have my YouTube channel, I have my Gumroad store and my LinkedIn profile. And here I've pinned one of my posts, which is basically an introduction to me. So when a random person comes to my profile, this is the first post that they see. This is basically an introduction of me and what I do. And in the bio, in the captions, I must say, I have an invitation link to my Discord community. It's completely free, by the way. If you want to join it, the link is in the description. It's completely free. There are 200 plus people just like us, building, hustling, and growing together as a family. So you don't want to miss it out. Check out the description and join now. Now let's take this post as an example. So we have a hook saying think about it, and then we have a spoiler. So basically if I click on it, it's going to reveal. And this is the post, you can read it. So the first post provides value. And in the second post, we have stop relying on motivation design, basically a pitch to my Gumroad product. And in the end, I have the Gumroad link. So if I click on this, it's going to direct me to my Gumroad store and they can buy the product from there. So here's another example for this. There's one more example. So keep in mind, whenever you're posting on social media, don't put your links on the main post itself. It's going to cut down your engagement by a lot. So what I do, as I showed, I post the main valuable content first, and in the comments I add the link and I pitch my product. So in the comment section is where you're supposed to add links, not in the main post. It's going to cut a lot of engagement if you put links in the main post. To sum up everything that I've talked about in this video, we start with the product. So look for something that you gained a lot of value from and that has helped you a lot. that is your digital product. So you can make an ebook out of it, you can make a Notion template out of it, anything that you can think of, just polish it, package it well, and put it on Gumroad. I use Canva to give the final touch to my product. So I make sure the design looks premium, the product looks premium, because packaging is what everybody sees, irrespective of whether they're going to buy or not. So I use Canva to give that premium top quality look. Once I'm done with designing and I have the entire packaged product ready, I go on to Threads and I keep posting valuable content on Threads. So I just go on to one of my posts, I go to the comments and I pitch my product in the description. So there'll be a link that'll redirect the users to the Gumroad page, and that happens after I provide value, as I said. So first provide value, then put the link. It's going to redirect them to my store, and then they can buy the product from there. Also recently, Threads surpassed X, that is Twitter, with the amount of active users that they have. So Threads is literally blowing up. It is the best opportunity for small creators out there, just like me and you. So it's an amazing opportunity. Do not miss it. I've talked about Threads and everything completely in detail in this video. So make sure to check it out. You can also check out the link in the descriptions. I provide a lot of value, and you can check out my Gumroad store, all of that cool stuff. So watch this video, and until then, I'll see you in the next one.